Good morning students. So today we start or I am going to start with mirror. So in previous video we see there are three types of mirror: plane mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror. So today we discuss here concave and convex mirror. So if we talk about convex or concave mirror, so both the mirror is a part of a hollow sphere. That means both the mirror are a part of hollow sphere. So here I am taking one part. So this curved portion, this indicate here concave mirror. In this mirror, outer part is to be polished and inner part is to be reflecting. And the difference part in convex mirror, again if we draw one line, so again we get here one part. So in this part, now difference part is inner part is to be reflecting and outer part is to be here reflecting. So in convex mirror, inner part is here polished. So this is the difference part. Now we see some terms related to mirror. So if I draw one line at the center of the sphere, so what we see here, this part show here center. So this part is known as here center of this circle and center of curvature. So here C indicate center of curvature. Mid part of this curve, this point is known as here P, called pole. So middle point of the curved part, this is called here pole. So P denote here pole. Between P and C, if we take one midpoint, so this midpoint indicate here F, called focus. So this is the focus. Okay. So generally whenever we draw the ray diagram, we use pole, focus and center of curvature, and same parameter for convex mirror also, pole, center part of the circle and focus, and a line passes through the center. Suppose this line is here L and M, so this LM line is also known as here principal axis. So these four keywords we use whenever we draw the ray diagram. We use center of curvature, pole, focus and principal axis. Now we take some rules how to draw the image. So before going to image formation, we see here what is the law to draw the ray diagram. So here we have three rules to draw any image for either convex lens or concave lens. So here first rule is any ray of light which is parallel to principal axis always passes through focus after reflection. That means if I draw concave lens when mirror, so L and M, this show here principal axis. So suppose a ray of light AB is here ray of light. So this ray of light is parallel to this principal axis. So after reflection it passes through the focus. So at B point it focus. So it always passes through the focus. So this is the first law. Now we come to second one. Any ray which passes through C, that is center of curvature, always retrace of its path in original direction. That means, again if I draw the concave mirror, L and M, this show here principal axis, midpoint, center of curvature and focus. So as per this law, any ray which passes through center of curvature, so suppose a ray which passes through center of curvature, so this arrow indicate here a path of ray. So after reflection via this reflecting surface, again it retraces of its original path. So it revert back in same direction. So this is the second one. And last one rule is here, rule third. Any ray which incident at any angle, so after reflection it makes same angle. That means if I draw again one more ray diagram, again L and M here indicate the principal axis. So as per the law, any ray which incident at any angle, suppose a ray of light making here 30 degree with pole, so it make here 30 degree. So after reflection again it makes here 30 degree. So these three rules applicable concave mirror as well as convex mirror. So in image formation we use these two rules mostly, and third one when we require then we use third one identity. Otherwise first and second rule is here very important to draw the image formation. So now we come to image formation by concave mirror. So now we discuss here image formation by concave mirror. and what is the position, size and character of the image. So here we discuss some cases. So first we take here when object is placed at infinity. That means if we take one example here, so like sun is at infinity position. So now I draw the ray diagram for this. Pole, focus and here center of curvature. So what we observe here, any ray of light which comes from infinity, so its path is always straight. So this indicate here first ray coming from infinity. Similarly second ray again it comes from infinity. So these two rays after reflection passes through always focus as per first law. So this is the path of first ray and this is the path of second ray. So what we see here, this is the meeting point, that means image. So if we talk about here position of image, size and third one is nature. So what we see here, position of image. So image at meet at focus. Similarly we talk about size. So size, what we see here like a point, that means point size. And third one nature, because image is formed here same size, so its nature is here real and inverted. Okay, so whenever same size of image is there, its nature is real and inverted. Now we come to second one. When object is placed beyond C, that is center of curvature. Now object is placed beyond C. So suppose A and B, this denotes here object. So again as per the law, suppose first ray come from A point. So this ray is parallel to principal axis, so it passes through the focus. Okay. If we talk about second ray, so again we have to use here second one law. So second one law, any ray of light which passes through center of curvature. So this ray passes through the center of curvature. So it retraces of its original path. So this indicate here meeting point. So image is here A dash and B dash. So this is here image. So again if we come to position of image. So where is the position? Between C and F. So between C and F, center of curvature and focus. Similarly second one, if we talk about size. So size is small if we compare with respect to object. So size is here small. And third one, if we talk about nature. So because of same side of the mirror, it is here real and inverted. Okay. Now we come to case third. When object is placed at C, that means center of curvature. Pole, focus and center of curvature. So now object is placed here at C, A and B. So first ray parallel to principal axis, it passes through focus. Now its reverse is also true. That means any ray of light which passes through the focus, it is parallel to principal axis. So second ray pass from focus. So again it is parallel to principal axis. Now this is meeting point here. So we draw one more line. So what we observe here in this situation, A dash and B dash, this is equal to AB. So again position of image is here at F. Okay, second thing, size. So size is here same as size of object. So size is here same as object. And third one, nature. Because of same side, nature is real and inverted. Okay. So now we come to fourth one case. So we come to fourth one case. When object is placed between C and F, that means again principal axis, pole, focus and center of curvature. Now object is placed between center of curvature and focus. So I am placed one object A and B. Now first ray parallel to principal axis, so always passes through the focus. Second one ray we have one option, either we have to draw from center of curvature or it passes through the focus. So it is also possible. So this indicate here A dash and B dash. So what we see here, position of image beyond C. If we talk about size, so when we compare object size and image size, so image size is here larger, that means magnified. And if we talk about third one, nature, so nature is here because of same side real and inverted. Okay. Next we come to fifth case, when object is placed at F, that is focus. So again, first we draw concave mirror, then principal axis, third write the pole, focus and center of curvature. So now object is placed at focus, so again A, B, indicate here object, and again first ray parallel to principal axis, so passes through focus. Second ray we have to pass from center of curvature. So what we observe, it retraces of its original path. So these two rays approx parallel and this meet at suppose infinity. So what we see here, position of images here infinity. If we talk about size, so size is here larger because it meet at infinity, and third one is nature. So nature is here real and inverted.